How to make only your friends can see gender you're interested in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see gender you're interested in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and here click this one, profile information, and go down, click on your birthday, this pen here, click on it, and here you will find interested in, click this icon and select friends and go down, click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.